What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. We are back here at the dyno. As you guys see, today is actually Sam's turn to go on the dyno. So excited to see that car on the dyno. It's gonna be crazy. The last time I got to see Sam's car like fully running like that was probably about a year ago, after he did his whole new makeover, brand new engine, brand new turbo, everything's brand new on that car. Sam's car is freaking crazy. If you guys thought my car was crazy, wait till you see Sam's. And if you guys have not watched my last video when I put my car on the dyno, go watch it right now, because that might be my favorite video that I've ever made, to be honest. And yesterday I didn't get to show you guys this car. It's actually one of my homie's cars. It looks so freaking clean. I've actually never seen it in person, I think. Maybe once, but a few years ago. It's like a full track E92 M3, Nardo gray. I love this color, bro. And he literally gutted the entire E92. I remember when I seen this, I thought he was the craziest person ever to gut an E92 like this. You got the dash, steering wheel with all these crazy buttons, Recaro seats, full race seats, full roll cage. This shit's beautiful, bro. Crazy ass fenders. You can see the whole tire. Those wheels are badass. Oh my god, bro, I didn't even see these brakes. Those brakes probably cost more than my E92. Sam's car is on the dyno. How much do you think it's gonna make?
1,000 bucks.
Oh my god. Maybe we'll get a ride in it. 1,000 horsepower. I'm so jealous. I want my engine bay to look this clean. And guys, this is a little ass E30 with that much power. I'd be so scared to drive it. This car is so small with the big ass motor.
That shit is badass.
Very loud again. But I'm sure you guys don't mind. By just the first pull, you can tell how much power this car has. That shit's fast, dude. It should make like double the horsepower of my car. Let me feel your heart now. Alright guys, super random, but this is the next day. Yesterday we got Sam's car tuned. It didn't really complete his tune because his car was actually too fast for the dyno, so he couldn't finish the tune. But it's tuned enough, it makes enough power for now. But anyways, Sam's car is done. You guys saw it, it's so freaking fast. He did a couple burnouts and donuts, but today, I don't know if you guys know or not, but Sam is actually having a baby. His first kid, and today is gonna be the gender reveal, and he's gonna do it with the E30. We're gonna do a little burnout, puff some smoke, and see if it's a boy or girl. I was actually the one that knows, so I'm the only person that knows if it's a boy or a girl. No one else knows. Hi Rebecca, what do you think it is?
Boy.
A boy?
Girl.
Girl? What about you? Oh, he's wearing like pink and blue? Ah, I see. What do you think?
I mean, it's either way it's gonna be a boy.
I don't know. So these are the things I ordered. They're like the color smoke. We're gonna put these on the floor. You're only supposed to use one packet each wheel, but we got 2 each wheel. So we're gonna try to make a bunch of smoke. This could be pink or it could be blue. Guys, I'm scared that what if the company set the wrong color and it pops and it's the wrong color? What do you guys think it is? Comment down below right now. What color do you think it's gonna be? Boy or girl? Guys, it's a girl! Bro, it's a girl! Oh my god! Bro, it was so hard for me to keep it a secret. Sam's gonna have a little pink E30 now. Alright, we're in the E30 now. I've never been in this car ever. I hope I don't fall out. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. Almost like that. We almost got it like that. Oh my god, bro. Are you happy, Sam? Yep. Oh, I felt like I was gonna fall out. There's pink everywhere. Nick in shorts? Damn, damn. You wrapped that? Nope. Did you wrap that?
Your neck.
Tommy Manny. You guys remember this car from the last video?
That shit looks sick, huh?
That color's hard. I guess Manny wrapped that too. He also wrapped my E46. And we're over here talking about wrapping the E92 next. I don't know. GTR. Woo, those exhaustives though. Look at this homie's car. Bro, this shit's clean. Sick wraps. If you guys need a wrap, hit him up. The homie Manny wrapped this. He wrapped his own 335. He wrapped my E46. And like I said, we're probably gonna wrap the E92 very, very soon. So if you guys got any color suggestions, help me, because I don't know what color to do the E92. I want to bring that car back to life. Maybe something crazy like this. Alright guys, it's the next day, and as you guys can see, we're going on another little cruise with a couple homies. It was super last minute, not even planned. I literally just came from 412 Motorsport. I was actually working on my E46. That's why I'm in like work clothes over here. We're probably gonna grab some food and just go on a little cruise because we're all bored and we have nothing to do. His single turbo 335 is crazy, bro.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit, real shit.